Yeah, this is from the homework and this is on binomial theorem. And do remember that when you have problems like this, you need to have the binomial theorem at hand. Of course, you have that in the formula booklet, so you should be able to transfer it next where you can see it, which is basically a plus b to the power of n would be nc0, a to the n b to the 0 plus nc1, a to n minus 1 b to 1 till ncr, a n minus r br until the last term is mcn bn with a power 0. So in this particular case, n takes the value 10 and a is x squared and b is 1 over ax. So the general term therefore is 10cr x squared to the power of 10 minus r and 1 over ax to the power of r. So you notice that we've been asked to find the coefficient of x to the 11. So we are only interested first to find the term in x to 11. So the most important thing is to find out what is the general power of x look like. So the power of x will be, there is an x in the numerator, and that will be x to the power of 2, that to the power of 3, and x to the power of -1, that to the power of r. Notice how there is an x in the numerator, so this will be x to the power of 20 minus 2r divided by x to the power of r. I have at this point just left out everything else and only considered the powers of x. So the power of x will therefore generally be 20 minus 2r minus r, which is 20 minus 3r. Now this power of x in the particular situation we are interested in needs to be equal to 11, because we are looking for the coefficient of x to the power of 11. So that's why we are equating that power of x to 11, and therefore we can solve that and find that r is equal to 3. After finding the value of r, then we go back to that expression and replace the value of r, that is 10c3 x squared to the power of 7 and 1 over ax to the power of 3, and that is going to be 10c r x to the power of 14 1 over a cubed x cubed, which is 10c3, this is 3, sorry, 10c3 1 over a cubed. But this has actually been given as from the problem that is equal to 15. So what we are saying is 10c3 1 over a cubed is equal to 15, or 120, which is 10c3 over a cubed is equals to 15, or a cubed is equals to 120 divided by 15, or a cubed is equals to 8, meaning that a is equals to 2, and that helps us find the value of a as required, because the problem was find a if the coefficient of x to the 11 is 15, and therefore that value of a is 2. So the most important thing here is